Hello everyone, I am Cleverfly, and this column Cleverfly's advice. And advice to you today: always give credit. People can be upset for using their stuff without permission, but they will be more willing to forgive if you always give credit where it's due. Always be a team player. You might remember the FedEx commercial stolen idea. A boss asks his team for cost-cutting ideas, and a young staffer suggests opening a FedEx.com account. Everyone is silent. The boss then repeats the suggestion without crediting the staffer, and the rest of the team congratulates him on his brilliance. The commercial is funny because it reveals an all too common dynamic in team meetings: misallocation of credit or blame. What is not funny is the result: stifled collaboration, reduced innovation, and limited growth. Give credit where credit is due. It sounds obvious, but it doesn't always happen, especially in highly political and hierarchical organizations. People often get credit based on their power, not their actual contributions. Credit team members for crediting one another. Good leaders incentivize their team members to acknowledge and appreciate others' contributions. This expansion of credit enhances team cohesion and trust, promoting more and better collaboration. You can symbolically and substantively reward people who credit each other, for example by saying something as simple as "thanks for sharing the spotlight on that project, Chen," or by including credit sharing as a metric of good work behavior in formal reviews. I hope this advice helps your life. Please comment on the console, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my helpful advice from Cleverfly. Good luck!